ICT Raj Pro. Those who have subscribed, we thank you that you are doing great. Continue sharing our messages, our videos, so that people can subscribe outside there. Those who didn't know the channel can also know and can learn more. So as we said, we shall always give you all the topics about Microsoft Office. That's where we are in ICT. So we finished Microsoft Word. Even we finished Microsoft Excel. Now we are going to see PowerPoint presentation. So we are going to see the PowerPoint presentation. That's what we are going to start today. So those who are following, I think you are learning. So if you are learning and you get any challenge, call back to us so that we can give you more advice. We can add you, we can tell you what to do more. So in PowerPoint, we just start our app as PowerPoint. So that's how our PowerPoint looks like. So PowerPoint presentation, we have what they call home. In home, we have a clipboard where we have cut, copy, paste, format, painter. So in cupboard, then slides, we have what they call the layout of slides, reset slides, selection slides, new slides. So here, that's where we add new slides. If we want to add new slides, let's say this was the default slide. So in the default slide, if I want to add another slide, I'll come and pick any slide of my own format. So picking a slide, you pick a slide according to what you are going to do. So if I'm going to write just a heading and a subheading, I'll only pick like this one, which was a default slide. That's what I will pick because I'll put my heading here, then a subheading here. So if at all I want to put title and content, I'll pick this second one here. If I want to put section header, a section header, so it will be a header but with sections. So if I want to put two content with the header on top, let's say I have my words this side, right side, and left side, then plus the head on top, I'll use this. Then comparisons, if I want to use, I have my heading, then I have my words on side, left side and right side, then with their headings on left side and left side, I'll have to use this. Then if I want to have like a title only, I'll use this. Then even this blank, there is this blank one whereby I can put the blank one, then I text there. Then content with comparisons on this side, right side and left side. Then let's say I'm describing, outlining, then after I describe. So I can put a content here, then I explain it. I put a picture, I explain it, like that, even this one. So that is how we add slides. So if I want to add like this slide, I'll just click on this slide, then it comes as slide number 2. Okay. If I want to add a comparison slide, it looks like that. So here I will put my title. Here I put the title of this side. Here I put the title of this side. Here I can put a photo. Then I describe my photo. Here I put a photo and describe my photo. So that's how we put slides. So on layout, it is the same thing. Layout of slides. So now formatting, it is the same thing as we have been doing in Word if you have been following. Caption, then size, block rate, italic, and line. The same thing you have been doing, putting the capital letters, there is no different thing like what we did in Word with font. So in paragraph also, it is the same thing as we've been doing in Word. So if we have been following us during starting from Word, you know what to do with this paragraph, align text, convert smart chart. We learn them, text directions. We also learn them in Word. Then drawings. There is also drawings. These shapes. You can draw a shape of any type you want. You just bring a shape, your shape here. Eh? uh, as we are doing it in Word, if you are following, you can arrange them. Yeah, you can feel this is the same thing like in Word. If you remember, find, replace, select, everything. Now, then we go to insert. In insert, there's no big difference. It's the same thing like what we studied in Word and Excel, because you insert tables like how we used it to do. Then you can insert a picture, you can insert a short a screenshot, you can insert album, you can insert a shape. eh? The same thing here, you can insert a shape. Okay. Oh, you design it, you remove field, like how we use it to design it. If you're following us, um, then you can insert a header, a footer, a text box, a word chart. I can put these equations, because it is like an integration of Word. Now in design, that's why we give our presentation a design. So these are designs. It's you to choose which design matches with mine. Okay. So if I want this design, I can choose this design. Yeah, you can choose any of your design which you feel like it is nice to you. Okay. Uh, then transition works with a slide. How do you want a slide to appear on your screen? How do you want it to come to your screen? Okay, that's what they call a transition. Let's say if I have given like this slide. Let's start with the first slide, then I give this slide to come as that. Then the second slide as that. Then the third slide as that. Okay? Now, on transition deals with the word. Ammunition deals with the word. So, ammunition, how do you want your words you have put in your slide to come? That's what they call transition. Let's say here I've put hello. Let's say here I'll put let's say here I'll put this. Here I'll put this. Okay. So we want to see how do I bring transition. So in transition, you just click on the word you want to transit from. So let's say I want this word to come as that. I want this word to come as that. I want this word to come as that. I want that word. There are very many. You can choose anything you feel like. I want this word to come as that. So you just choose what you feel is good for you. That is what they call ammunition. Then slideshow, if you want to present, now here we are going to present beginning from beginning. Can pray when you are starting from beginning, then current slide, like now where I am, then I start presenting. Present online, if I want to put online, then customize what? Show. If I want customize short, I want my short just then record slides. I can record then review the same thing in Word and view the same thing in Word. Now, if I want to see what I've done, let's say I'm starting with the first one, I'll just, it will come like that. So when I press enter, next, you see how the things are coming. You see how the things are coming. You see how the things are coming. Then end of the what of the presentation. So that is how we use PowerPoint. So those who are following, we are going now to start dealing with one by one by one to see how do they work. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you like and share. Always click that bell so that you get notification whenever the video is loaded on the channel. Please, this is a digital world. We must change everything to digital. Viewers of IT Solution Pro, IT Raj Solution, always support us as well as we are giving you content. Thank you very much.